through this session, I just want to give you an like overall like look on how we are going to conduct the course. Let's start. So the course objectives. So for the first week, majorly we will cover mostly the basics like the terminologies, XFLFI download and stuff. Um, so that like you're a bit comfortable with the content in the next few weeks. And yeah, the next thing that will approach is the equations and governing equations and like all those math and all those things necessary for the actual designing part. And we'll actually like start with our main XFLR 5 thing where you will kind of verify the theoretical stuff which we learned in the last two sessions kind of thing. And the next thing that we'll aim for is a iterative weight estimation. I mean that's a main thing which is responsible, which are like used in designing your own plane. So it's not actually designing the plane is not a linear thing that you'll go from your step one to step two. It's more of a loop. You go step one, step two, step three. Oh, there's a mistake. Step one again, step two, step three. And that's how you actually you design your plane. So we'll spend quite a lot of time there because that's the major thing you want to learn in the course. Yeah, and from that, when we learn how to design the plane, we will check how to analyze the stability. So, I mean, once you design it, the weight estimation is done and all the components have been figured out. The next thing which you do is the stability thing. That's more of a where the CG is, where the AC is. If there is a mistake there, rearrange the stuff. Once you do that, you again have to do a weight iteration loop. And yeah, we'll spend quite a lot of time in that part also. And this is the major part where XFLFI will be involved, the stability part. We'll only discuss static stability, but we'll give you some resources on the dynamic ones also. Yeah, so the most important thing is like how do you like approach the content. So what we will do actually is before the webinars and after the webinars, we will give you a few links that will I mean one link to be honest, and that link would be the GitHub repository link. There we have structured everything which you need to learn before the webinar, after the webinar, and assignments. So yeah, make sure you go through all those things. Mostly the trivial stuff will be given to you to learn, and after that we'll have webinar. So next step is webinar. So this is not a webinar, this is just an introductory session. So webinar would be actually quite long, like 1 to 2 hours sessions. So yeah, in the webinars you will actually get to learn what I mean the complex stuff, the stuff which are not that trivial. We will do that very what you can say interactively. We'll set up a lot of polls and interact questions and all those things. So yeah, we will have an example poll set for you just after this schedule so that you can check, and actually we can also check if the process is comfortable for you all. Yeah, just a note, these all polls would not count to your main grading or any. It's just for interaction. And finally, the third thing is doubts. Now, the doubts you can ask in Telegram group, in MS Teams, or in the webinars. Like whenever you want, you can stop me and ask doubts. Stop me or the presenter. Yeah. We will like Telegram. We will like monitor both Telegram and MS Teams. So yeah, make sure you ask your doubts. Even you can ping the point of contacts. We will share the list. We have shared the list with you in Telegram. We will share it again if you want. Yeah, till this point, does anyone have any doubts or anything you did not understand about the delivery of the course? You can ask. And moderators, if there is anything in the chat, please relay it to me. I can't see the chat. Okay, I guess everything is clear up till now. Let's proceed then. So what will you be able to do after this course? Like what will be the end result? Now after this course, if you are given a mission parameter, you will be able to find all the stuff necessary: wingspan, chord length, exact parameter of everything, and you will also be able to examine it in Except file and check for its like credibility. So that's what we expect, like that you will be able to learn after this course. So what's the evaluation? We have 3 weeks, right? And the fourth week is appointed just for assignment. So each week, I mean, each of the 3 weeks will have one short assignment kind of thing, and that will be pretty like simple. If you follow the resources and webinars carefully, you would be able to do it easily, and it would be fun also. Like it's mostly like checking it using Except something interesting, something new, and all those things. So that will account to 20% of your assessment, like 20%. Each weekly assignment will account 20%, so that total will be 60%. And the final assignment, which is 40% of the assessment. The final assignment will be for one entire week, and we will conduct webinars, and we will help you out to the final assignment, because final assignment is also a part of the course. Like it's a part of the learning. You can't design a RC plane just by doing theory. You need to actually sit and do all the stuff which you learn. So yeah. Finally, these are the points of contact. The first one is me. I'm Jay Jumaputra, if I didn't forgot to introduce. Um, you have Piyush, Akshat, Anjali, Umesh, and Gaurav. All the numbers have been shared to you in in the Telegram, and I think we'll share it again once. And you can ask us doubts personally. You can ask us in the group. You can ask in the MS Teams. So it would be preferred if you ask on Telegram group, but yeah, I mean, so that everyone can discuss. But even personal doubts are not an issue. So that's it. All the best and have a great learning experience. Are there any doubts till now? I mean, how will the course be covered, evaluation, or anything? This is just an introductory session so that you are comfortable with it. We will have a next webinar which will cover the important content on 6th. Links and all timings will be shared to you to the Telegram group soon. And one thing if I missed, I'll mention it again. The resources will be shared to you on GitHub repository. So the link I think has been shared to you on Telegram group. If not, we'll share it after the presentation. So are there any doubts? Anybody? Yeah, by the way, just have a like look at the poll created, and I mean, please fill it up so that we can know that like it's working or not. This is a test poll, so that would help us. And also, yeah, one more thing. The webinar is on 5th, not 6th. I think I had a tongue slip. Yeah. That's it. I'll stop the sharing, and if you still have any doubts, you can always ask. Guys, already, I mean, the form is like it's accessible